Onboarding to Cortex has never been easier. With Magellan, our AI-powered data engine, you can go from a blank slate to a fully functional internal developer portal in just minutes. Instead of months of manual setup, Cortex guides you through a streamlined flow to connect your stack, discover your services, and map ownership automatically. Let's take a look at how simple it is to get started. Begin by entering your workspace name. This is the name provided by the Cortex team and will be used to access your portal. Next, personalize your space to reflect your organization. Upload a logo, add a display name, and select a branding color. These updates will appear in the sidebar and across your workspace. You'll then have the option to set up single sign-on. Cortex supports any OIDC provider, and we've included links to documentation for the most popular options. If you're not ready to configure SSO, you can skip this step and return to it later. Next, connect your version control provider. Select your provider, enter the required details, and use the built-in test option to confirm your credentials. Next, connect your team provider if it's different from your version control system, or if you'll use multiple providers. This ensures Cortex can accurately assign ownership across your services. You can also add other integrations such as on-call tools or communication platforms. As soon as your first integration is connected, Cortex begins scanning your repositories. When the scan is complete, you can choose to import all or just some of those repositories into your catalog. If the scan takes a moment, you can pause here to check out Cortex Academy or our documentation, then return when the import is ready. Next, review the identity mappings Cortex created automatically from your integrations. In most cases, no setup is required. Cortex will match user identities across systems on its own. If any mappings are missing or you'd like to make changes, you can update them here. Now, review the discovered services. Cortex will suggest connections between those services in your tools, things like on-call policies, Slack channels, and Jira projects. You can adjust these mappings before confirming import, and always edit them later as needed. Now you're ready to explore. Create your first scorecard or check out the imported catalog. For example, here we can see the new Cortex app service with all of its automatically connected metadata, team owners, Slack channels, repositories, and more. You'll also have access to engineering intelligence dashboards. Velocity metrics from your version control provider give you instant insight into your development lifecycle, helping you and your teams identify and address bottlenecks early. That's it. In just a few minutes, you've built a rich, connected catalog that reflects your engineering ecosystem. From day one, you can explore services, see ownership, and start driving engineering standards with scorecards. Cortex makes onboarding simple and intelligent, so you can spend less time setting up and more time driving engineering standards.